everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. I'm replacing my sway board link. I already replaced one over here. This is very easy to replace it. So why I'm replacing it, in my case the bushing was worn out. This is the one I took it out from here. There are two bushings, one here, one on the top, one here and one at the bottom. So altogether 4 bushing. I had 2 choices. Either replace the bushing only or replace the whole new sway board link. And I choose the new ones. This is the second one. And I'm going to replace on the other side and I'm going to show it to you. It's so simple and easy DIY work and you can save tons of money. So now after replacing this one, the HUMMER will be running smooth. It's not going to pull on one side or other side. So let me share with you how to replace on the other side. Once I remove these, this one requires 15mm socket. What I've noticed, the bolts, they are not rusted or anything, but they are kind of worn out, so I decided to put the new ones. Only thing you need to watch out, this is the bushing. If you notice that one is a round side and the other one is flat, the round side will go inside the hole. What I mean by that, let me show you. This is the hole. And if you put this one flat, that's no good. You need to put this one like this, so it can sit inside the hole. So once we added all the bushings, the cylinder and the bolt, now the top bushing, and then we're going to put the washer and we're going to tighten with the nut. And I hope this video is going to help you out in case if you want to change the bushing on your sway board link, or you wanted to change it the whole like I did in mine. If this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For more HUMMER videos, please click on the bell and subscribe so that you get the notification as I upload the videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.